Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Amy here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and do press that bell button to be notified of my next video upload. Make sure you stay till the end of this video for a sneak peek of next week's bullet journal spread. This week's video will be my second week in April, sticking with the Eastern bunny theme and the pastel colors. As you can see, I started this week's spread just doing some colorful circles at the top of my page, sticking kind of with a rainbow scheme here with the pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and then starting a pink. I then go in and write in the days of the week. I tried out a different font this week, something a little more jagged and harsh with the edges instead of round. I had fun writing this one out. Once that was done, I went in and drew in the numbers of the week in my colorful circles here. Next, I started to box in my days of the week. I decided to do two separate boxes. The top one's going to be for events and the bottom one's going to be for my tasks. So for the dimensions of the boxes, my top box is 6 squares by 6 squares. And the one rectangular one underneath is 14 squares down by 6 across. I decided not to totally connect all the lines of my boxes together, just to give it a little bit of a different look here. As you can see, I did mess up a little bit with my divider line there, so I'm just going to go back in and fix the mistakes here with a little bit of whiteout. I then went in and added a little calendar here. I kind of like to keep track on what week I'm on. Just a little visual to help me keep everything sorted and organized. Then I start coloring in my little chick, egg, and carrot accents here, sticking with the pastel colors. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on how I draw my little bunnies and chicks and accents for this month, do let me know down in the comments and I'll put that up for you guys. So I'm just going to go back into my calendar here and write all the numbers up for the days of the week, and just finish that up. Now I'm just going to go in and make a highlighted kind of line here all the way across. This is going to be my next week's section. Can't forget about that. I always like to see what's coming up and what I need to get ready for. So now I'm just going to come in and start coloring in my little accent picture here with a jumble of bunnies, chicks, and eggs, the lettuce and carrots. After I color it in, I'll go back in with my colored fine liners and kind of define everything so you can see it better. So I'd love to see all your guys' recreations of this. If you'd like to post them up on Instagram, you can tag me in them at Amy and Mayhew, and also use the hashtag KeepCreatingBujo. I'll leave all that information down in the description below. All the supplies used in today's video will be down in the description box below as well. None of them are affiliate links. These are just some of the products I like to use. Alright, once I finish outlining everything here, that's pretty much it for April's 2020 week 2 in my bullet journal. Remember to please like, share, and subscribe. Join me next week for another Plan With Me video, April week 3 in 2020. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for planning with me, and keep creating. Here's that sneak peek of next week's video. Hope you enjoy. Bye for now.